It's me Thirumagal and it's my channel Excel with Thiru. In the series of need boosters, we have done a lot of chapters. Now we are going to do about biology, class 11th, body fluids and circulations. This is one of the easiest and very important chapter for class, both for 11th boards and well as for your NEET exam. In this video, we are going to discuss about the compositions of blood. What are types of blood, WBCs, RBCs and all those stuff. And mainly for NEET exam, these leukocytes are subdivided as aggranulocytes and granulocytes. These are the very important part where NEET exam, to know in detail, see the full video. And for now, let's go on the video. Wait, don't go. See, and if you guys are new to my channel, I'm Thirumagal and I'm a medical student. And if you guys are in class 11th and 12th and also preparing for your NEET exam, this channel is just for you. So do subscribe and do share it with your friends and like it. It will go directly to my heart. Bye. Blood is the fluid connective tissue. Fluid connective tissue. It is heavier than water. Blood is heavier than water. We are going to see about the compositions of blood. What all put together brings the blood and all those stuff. There are three. One is blood cells, platelets and plasma. All together on the blood. All these types. Composition of blood la vandu ivanga moonu da vandu divide avanga. Especially they'll tell like blood, platelets and blood cells together they are called as formed elements. Okay, this is a special point, note it down. Formed elements are blood cells and blood platelets. Now blood cells are divided like erythrocytes. Erythrocytes are RBCs and leukocytes are WBCs. Leukocytes are further divided as granulocytes, agranulocytes. In the granulocytes vandu divide agum. Three types are neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils. Agranulocytes vandu two are divide agum. Monocytes and lymphocytes. So I am going to do in detail of the each blood cells and platelets, plasma, all of the compositions of blood in this video. So watch till the end to know in detail about each and every cell. Guys, if you want to take a screenshot, you can take it now. Guys, I can also tell it this way. RBCs, WBCs plus platelets gives formed element. Platelets have another name also called thrombocytes. Don't forget. So now we are going to see about the RBCs, WBCs and platelets. RBCs ke இன்னொரு பேர் வந்து thrombocytes, WBCs another name called leukocytes and platelets have another name called thrombocytes. See this tableau columns is or memorize பண்ற மாதிரி. It's a factual thing. You have to know all this data. It's a data. You have to know all these. That's it. Let's go into it. RBCs are formed in red bone marrow. WBCs are also formed in red bone marrow. Platelets are also formed in red bone marrow by fragmentation of megakaryocytes. Karyocytes na the division of nucleus is called karyocyte. Megakaryocytes variya division of nucleus variya fragmentation agi divide agi form agum platelets appdi solranga. Next, let's go to the shape. Mostly they ask, in the topic level mostly they ask about which is different is here. Inga konja different agana RBCs oda structure on is different. It's circular biconcave. It's circular and biconcave. Except in camel it is oval. It's circular in normal condition, but camel la mattum it's abnormal. It is in oval shape. WBCs la vandu spherical or irregular. It depends. நம்ம வந்து நிறைய subdivision, we see a lot of subdivisions under WBCs. Granulocytes, it differs, okay va. Here platelets are circular, oval and biconvex disc. This is convex discs. Next, nucleus. They are devoid of nucleus. RBCs don't have nucleus. WBCs are nucleated. Platelets are non-nucleated. Number per millimeter per cube. It's a data, you have to keep it in mind. Man-led is 5 to 5.5 million, woman-led is 4.5 million. And it is in RBC on the 6,000 8,000 இருக்கும். And in platelets it is 2,50,000 to 4,50,000. The size depends here. 7.8 micrometer diameter on the micrometer, 2 micrometer thickness in the rim irukuma. This micrometer, 1 micrometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 meter. Okay, at times people may ask, you have to know. Inga size idua, diameter idu, thickness they have given here. Here is it's larger, they mean inga and it is small, 2 to 3 micrometer diameter irukuma. Lifespan, this is very important. Lifespan is very important. Lifespan, RBCs it is 120 days and it is few days to years. These platelets are 5 to 9 days or about a week, 7 days in which approximate. Special function, each of them have a special function. Here RBCs are specially for hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide. We in the respiratory chapter we have done about how hemoglobin helps in the transport of respiratory gases. And hemoglobin in our blood, 100 for every 100 ml 12 to 6 grams of hemoglobin irukum. Iron and oxygen containing pigment, it's a red color pigment. 4 oxygen forms a hemoglobin. Okay, WBCs migrate to tissue where they perform multiple functions. They have multiple types of nucleus. WBCs, they do multiple functions. Here hemostasis is stoppage of bleeding. Bleed is stop pannadhukku, it's very much, platelets are in stopping of bleeding. We'll see, like when we are wounded we see top layer, that's hemostasis, stops of bleeding, that is platelets. Next, abnormal increase in any cell can result to a complication. So இப்போ என்னன்னா, increase in RBCs la increase ஆச்சுனா erythrocytosis or polycythemia andale it is increase, you mean increase, erythrocytosis and polycythemia. In WBCs leukocytosis, here again cytosis during infection or allergy. During infection of allergy நம்ம பாடியில் more amount of WBCs are formed, that is leukocytosis. And abnormal increase in number, abnormal if it increases, that is leukemia. Leukemia is blood cancer. Nowadays it's been able to get cured at times when we diagnosed it earlier. Thrombocytosis is when platelets are increased in number in our blood, and decreased in number is erythrocytopenia. Penia comes means decrease in number, it's not penia no. Erythropenia, leukocytopenia, thrombocytopenia. And that now we're going to see about the WBCs and their subdivisions. First off, WBC cannot be leukocytes. Leukocytes are further divided into two. Renda periyudhu. Another granulocytes and agranulocytes. What are granulocytes? Granulocytes nam with granules in the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm la small granules irunduchuna, that is called granulocytes. Agranulocyte nam cytoplasm la vandu endha granules illana, that's called agranulocyte. These granulocytes are further divided into 3 types. On the basis of staining character of cytoplasmic granules and the shape of the nucleus of the shape and the staining of the cytoplasmic granules வச்சு மூணா divide ஆகுது. Neutrophils, eosinophils and basophils. Neutrophils are actually in the staining character of this is neutral, this is acidic and this is basic. So அதை வச்சு பண்ணலாம், shape வச்சு பண்ணலாம். So in the next slide I'll teach you separately each and every cell பத்தி I'll tell you, then you will understand what is the shape, what are the difference between all these 5. Very important and very easy also, you can easily score in this topic. Next on the agranulocytes are ரெண்டா பிரியுது, monocytes and lymphocytes. Neutrophils are the highest cells in the WBC, 60 to 65%, and eosinophils are 32 to 3%. Basophils are 0.5 to 1%, and monocytes are 6 to 8%, and lymphocytes are 20 to 25% present in the blood. Now we are going to see about the 5 types of WBCs. We will see first one by one, and then we'll compare all of them at last. Neutrophils. Neutrophils are the most maximum number in WBCs. They are 60 to 65% present, and they are fine. The number of granules in the cytoplasm are fine. Fine means they are small. Yeah, there's fine number of small number of granules. Size, you mean at the granuloda structure சொல்றாங்க, ஓகேவா? And then staining of cytoplasm. Cytoplasm staining வந்து it is both acidic and basic dye equally. அப்பனா it's neutral. Now the shape of the nucleus. It is multi-lobed. Many nucleus இருக்கும். Many lobed nucleus வந்து it is present in neutrophils. And site of formation, bone marrow that is formed. Lifespan வந்து 4 to 8 hours in blood and 4 to 5 days in tissue. Tissueல வந்து 4 to 5 days இருக்கும், bloodல வந்து 4 to 8 hours இருக்கும். இதோட function என்னன்னா phagocytic function. Phagocyticனா இப்போ in case foreign party எதனா வந்துச்சுன்னா இது வந்து க்ளோஸ் பண்ணி அதை வந்து destroy பண்ணிடும். That is phagocytic property. இதோட function is phagocytic. And this is the structure. It is multi-lobed. See, multi-lobed. They have many lobed, and this is the cytoplasm. This is the cytoplasm, and these are the nucleus. These are the nucleus. Let's go to the basophils. Basophils are now basophils. The number are 0.5 to 1% இது present-ஆ இருக்கும். They are coarse. Coarse-னா வந்து rough structure மாதிரி இருக்கும் வச்சுக்கலாம். அதோட granules வந்து கொஞ்சம் rough-ஆ இருக்கும். The staining of cytoplasm of basophils வந்து basophilic, basic in nature. அப்புறம் வந்து the shape of the nucleus. Shape of the nucleus is S-shaped or 3-lobed structure. 3-lobed nucleus. See here. இங்க 1 2 3 lobed, or you can also say S-shaped. Nucleus ஓட shape இதான். எங்க site of formation வந்து bone marrow it is formed. Lifespan is same as neutrophils, 4 to 8 hours in blood and 4 to 5 days in tissue. What are their functions? Functions on the secretion of heparin, histamine, serotonin. இதெல்லாம் secrete பண்ணும். It involves in inflammatory reaction. See, if you want it, guys, I'll tell you, note it down. Heparin is anticoagulant, natural anticoagulant. Histamine is inflammatory reaction, appo it is secreted. Serotonin is vasoconstrictor. So this is basophils. இதுவும் mast cells இருக்குல்ல, இதுவும் basophils same function தான் பண்ணும். Next, let's go to eosinophils. Eosinophils is 2 to 3% present in our WBCs, and this also have a rough structure. Granules outer layer வந்து rough-ஆ இருக்கும். That is only thing. அப்புறம் staining of the cytoplasm வந்து eosinophilic. Eosinophilicனா acidic dye it is. Staining of the இது வந்து acidic-ஆ இருக்கும். இந்த cytoplasm வந்து acidic-ஆ இருக்கும். இங்க வந்து basic-ஆ இருக்கும், இங்க neutral-ஆ இருக்கும். Both acidic and basic. இங்க வந்து basic, இங்க வந்து acidic. And the shape of the nucleus வந்து bilobed. ரெண்டு lobe இருக்கா? So it's bilobed nucleus. And where is it formed? It is formed in bone marrow. Same lifespan is also same to as these two. 4 to 8 hours in blood, 4 to 5 days in tissue. Function, what is the function? Function the main role in immunity, anti-allergic reaction, and resist parasitic infection. Infection la resist பண்ணும். அப்புறம் anti-allergic, இப்போ allergy condition லலாம் இந்த eosinophils வந்து will be helpful. And monocytes. These are granulocytes, and now we are going to say agranulocytes. in WBC ல agranulocytes. இப்போ வந்து monocytes are 6 to 8% present in WBC and granulocytes in cytoplasm is absent. இது ரெண்டுத்துலயும் granulocytes இருக்காது, it's absent. The dye is staining in the cytoplasm dye is basophilic. Next வந்து what is the shape of the nucleus? It is bean shaped or kidney shaped. Kidney shaped nucleus, see here, it's like kidney shaped darker, so it's like bean or kidney shaped. Most of the time they ask questions on the shape of the nucleus la da nariya vaati kelvi kepanga, so be thorough with it. Next one வந்து bone marrow. Bone marrow monoplast cells la da வந்து monocytes are formed. Next here the lifespan is different, 10 to 20 hours in blood and months to years in tissue. Tissue la வந்து month to years வரைக்கும் இருக்கும், ஆனா bloodல வந்து 10 to 20 hours தான் இருக்கும். What is the function of monocytes? Monocytes ஓட function வந்து ditto. Neutrophils monocytes ஓட function same தான். Phagocytic they destroy foreign organisms. இப்போ என்ன foreign organism வந்து செல்குள்ள வருதுன்னா அந்த செல்லை போய் சரவுண்ட் பண்ணி டிஸ்ட்ராய் பண்ணணும் மொத்தமாவே. Phagocytic we see like amoeba வந்து phagocytic movementல மூவ் ஆகுது, அந்த மாதிரி மூவ் ஆகி இது வந்து டிஸ்ட்ராய் பண்ணிடும். நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து lymphocytes are present 20 to 25% நம்ம bloodல present-ஆ இருக்கு. அவங்களோட granules is absent as it is agranulocytes, comes on agranulocytes. And here dye is also basophilic. This is also basic in nature. And இவங்களோட structure of the nucleus வந்து round structure, round and spherical. எங்கெல்லாம் அது ஃபார்ம் ஆகுதுன்னா lymph nodes, spleen, thymus, tonsils, pace patches and bone marrow. These are the sites where lymphocytes are present. Here அவங்களோட லைஃப் ஸ்பேன் வந்து few days to even years, it depends. And function, what is the function? Antibiotic formation. T lymphocytes, B lymphocytes we will study in the human health chapter. Human immune response will be helpful. Antibodies will be formed. These antibodies get matured in the bone marrow. This is a structure. Here all இதுதான் cytoplasm, இதுதான் nucleus. This is cytoplasm, this is the nucleus. This is cytoplasm, this is the nucleus. This is and take a screenshot if you guys want. And let's leave for now. Bye. Be doing the platelets and plasma in the next video, and let's go into the heart structures and all the important stuffs in the body fluids in the upcoming video. So stay tuned and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. It will be very useful.